Hello and welcome to the Admiral Studios. My name is Joel and today I'm here to talk to you about the Admiral Freedom Rigging System. Now this system consists of multiple parts and I'm going to explain a little bit about each one for you now. First we have our single rigger, which is used for single fixtures. Makes sense? Next we have the downrigger, which is used for multiple fixtures in a single location. And lastly, we have our floor rack, which is a self-standing apparatus used for multiple fixtures. We also have the bonus component, the drop arm set, and that is used for moving heads. Allow me to bring in the table and I'll show you each of the components that make up these sets. Now, as you can see here, I've laid out all the components used to make our Freedom Rigging sets. We have our length profiles, and normally, of course, not for the single rigger, but for the rest of them, you need two length profiles, which are ranging from half a meter, a meter and a half, 2 meters, a freedom hanger, or many freedom hangers, coupler set, and a nut plate set. In this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the Admiral Single Rigger, and as a bonus, a little bit more about our drop arm set. Each single rigger comes complete with a length profile and a nut plate set. Now, to build your single rigger with your nut plate, simply insert your nut plate into the front of your length profile all the way so it lines up. You can see it there. For safety purposes, always use 2 bolts. Now, attach the wing nuts to the other side without them falling out. Now that we've installed the nut plate on one side of your length profile, the nut plate set comes complete with 2, so you can install it on the other side here. Hang your single rigger on your truss, attach to your light fixture, and you're ready to go. But what if you want your length profile to be a little bit longer? Well, we have a solution for that. First, make sure on your length profile that the sticker here is facing upwards, indicating where your screws are going to fit. We've got a coupler here that's going to slide into your length profile. Then tighten the screw here. This will expand your coupler and lock it in place. Flip your length profile over. Tighten this screw here. Now you're ready to insert your second length profile. Again, checking to make sure the sticker is in the right position. This will slide in. Notice the screw here. Tighten that up, expanding the coupler. One more flip over. Tighten your last screw. Now all that's left to do is to add in your bolts and you've got yourself an extended length profile. Now we've got the finished product here. I've added the bolts on this side, the wing nuts on the other, and we've got ourselves a sturdy piece of metal here. 2 length profiles connected, but there's no wiggling, there's no moving, so you can hang your fixtures with a little bit extra length. But let's say you want to hang a moving head. Well, we've got you covered here at Admiral with the drop arm set. I happen to have an unassembled Admiral Freedom drop arm set here. And as you can see, you're able to choose the length of your profile here. Once you've selected a length, to lock it in place, insert 2 different bolts with wing nuts on the other side. And you have assembled your Freedom drop arm set. Now these all come with a standard Freedom hanger tube, as you can see here on this side, and safety eyes for your safety cables. Now, if you wish to extend the length of your length profile here, the base of this is the same as your length profile here. So, with the help of a coupler, you're able to extend your drop arm set and accommodate your needs even more so. Thanks for watching our video about the Admiral Single Rigger. Be sure to check out our videos on the downrigger and the floor rack.